What's up, guys? Welcome to Gun Enthusiast 2. This is the unboxing of the Smith & Wesson Bodyguard 2.0. As you can see here, my box is ripped. Listen, I was upset because they ripped the price off the box and ripped up the box. So anyway, which is fine when I bought it, but it's cool as long as the gun is in perfect condition. So, gonna put this to the side for now. The main event, right? So of course, typical Smith & Wesson box, cardboard. It gets your stickers or sticker. You got your safety and instruction manual. You have your warranty card that you should fill out, that I will do online anyway, and the California warning if you live out California, which is unfortunate. So anyway, of course you have your lock. I know I'm throwing things to the side, and you have your second magazine here, and that's pretty much it. So let's throw this to the side and get to the main event. That's what you guys came here for, right? All right, make sure it's clear. You never know. Of course, you get your flag, your barrel flag. Make sure it's empty. So chamber empty. Let's take this off. So here it is, Smith & Wesson Bodyguard 2.0. This is the 12-round extended magazine. As you could see here, I don't think I have big hands or even small hands. It's probably medium, and I get a full grip. My pinky is not hanging. Now with the flush fit, which is 10 rounds, my pinky hangs a little bit. I would say probably a quarter of it. So I still get a pretty good grip, right? So the width, it's about 0.88, very small. The barrel is 2.75, very small barrel. This particular model comes with a safety, and I don't like it. It's pretty hard to operate, and it's ambidextrous. There you go. Very hard to operate. So needless to say, I won't be using it. So yeah, so it comes with front serrations and rear slide serrations. You have your typical Smith & Wesson frame. This to me looks more like the Shield Plus. So it's like a smaller version of the Shield Plus. I forgot what the overall length of this weapon is, but the height with the flush fit is 4 inches. And the width, again, 0.88. And it's double stack. And it's chambered in 380. You got your trigger here with the safety blade, flat face trigger. And you have your wall, pretty quick wall. There's barely any slack. And you do get a little grind from the trigger. So you hit the wall, pretty crisp. Reset. And right there. It is striker fired. You do have your front sight. It is tritium night sight, and the rear serrated U-notch. If you want to disassemble the bodyguard, push the slide back, lock it, bring the takedown lever down, release the slide, pull the trigger in the safe direction, and pull the slide right out. And you could see your guide rod and recorder spring, very small, which makes the racking of the slide really hard. And your barrel, your 2.75 barrel. So when you rack the slide, it is hard. I know mostly women and people with weak hands will flock towards that gun, but I'm gonna tell you right now, it is not easy to rack like the Shield Easy. Checking for function. So yeah, so it is not easy to rack if you don't have strong hands, but I'm able to rack it with no problems. I can show you the difference with the Shield Easy. Let's make sure it's clear. All right. So, and this one has the grip safety and thumb safety. Now the difference in size, as you can see, much smaller than the Shield Easy. And the Shield Easy, 8 rounds, single stack, 380. Smith & Wesson Bodyguard, double stack, 10 rounds, double stack, 12 round, extended magazine. Now, how does it shoot? Well, let's go find out. These are the first 10 shots with the extended mag. I know you guys haven't come for me in the comments, but it takes a little time to get used to. I tried it again with the extended magazine, second mag, and you could see the groupings a little better. So it does take a little time to get used to. I don't know if you could tell, but I kept having to readjust my grip because my pinky kept slipping off because of the flush fit magazine that's too short, and also it didn't lock back on the last shot. This time around, my grouping was a little better with the flush fit, but the first mag with the flush fit was just all over the place. Very hard to control. So I decided to put a first target in and try again with the extended magazine and see how it goes. And it's a little better, but still very hard to control. I usually shoot better with the Shield Easy, but I was having an off day. But you do get more control with the Shield Easy. Yeah, I know you guys are gonna come for me in the comment. Go ahead, say what you gotta say. I can take it. I'm a big boy. The grouping got a little better with the flush fit. It just feels like it's flying out of my hands. I have to readjust every time. That's about it for the range. I put about 84 rounds through it. All right, we're back from the gun range. Let's make sure we're clear. Chamber clear. As you can see from the range, with the flush fit, you can see here my pinky. It gives you the illusion that I have a full grip right here with the flush fit magazine, but I do have a little bit of hang right here. So when I shoot and the gun snaps back, my fingers does this every time. So from the video, you could see me readjusting my grip every time. I'm readjusting. I'm doing this every time. So that's my issue. Well, one of the issues that I have with the Bodyguard 2.0. Now with the 12 round extended mag, now you can see I have good grip and a little bit of extra room, very little, but I have a better control with the extended mag. Now my other issue that I have with this gun is the fact that it's so thin. It's less than an inch, 0.88. And the other issue, even though it's a 380 caliber, it's light. It's 9.8 ounces. So when I shoot, I feel like it's flying out of my hand. So I have to readjust my grip every time. But when I was shooting the Shield Easy, it has a little bit more weight and I was able to control a little better. I mean, yes, I had an off day. I know you guys are going to come for me in the comments. I was shooting left a whole lot, but it was just an off day shooting for me. I haven't shot in quite some time. So I feel like I'm losing my touch a little bit. I need to practice a little more, especially my dry fire. I've been neglecting that. But Would I recommend this gun? If you have small hands, yes. Or if you want to carry this pocket carry, you want to go outside, grab your mail real quick. You don't want to put the full setup on your belt or anything like that. Yes, I would say you could pocket carry it. If you're gonna go get gas or go to the corner store, um, but it's always I would suggest that you always carry what you usually carry. But if you don't want to put the whole setup on, like I said, just you want to pocket carry this, you can. Um, Also, the 12 round mag, I was able to put 11 rounds in it. I could not get that last round. So hopefully, when I keep shooting it, I'll be able to put the full 12 rounds, or if I use a magazine loader, maybe I'll be able to put a full 12 rounds. Also, the thumb safety. Earlier in the video, you could see that I could not operate the safety. Now I can. I guess I broke it in at the range after a few shots. I believe I put about 80, between 80 85 rounds through it. There was no jam, no misfeed. It didn't lock back on the flush fit at some point, but after that, it locked back every time. So I only did that once. But I still won't use the thumb safety, and it's ambidextrous. I still won't use it because when you go and pull it out, and you don't want to have an extra um, movement to do when you draw your firearm. All right. What I recommend, yes, if you have a small hands and you can operate the firearm, because it is hard to rack for now. Again, I guess I still have to break it in. So I'll keep shooting it, let you guys know what I think. And I'll probably make another video after I put about 500 rounds through it and let you guys know. And I want to thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, share. If you have any suggestions on my shooting techniques or whatever it is, or if you have a gun that you would like me to review, if I can afford it, I'll get it. If I can't afford it, hey, send me some money so I can buy it, and I'll review it for you guys before you go ahead and purchase it. All right. So again, thank you for watching. This is Gun Enthusiast 2. Peace out.